Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. I will say that some of our trailers are still listed on the YouTube. If you go to the description, it will tell you if it's sold or not. So just a little tidbit there. We do leave our videos up for people just to have them for educational purposes and or to, I don't know, see what we've sold in the past. All right, so this is a 2020 Hawk. It is lightly used. It was built for somebody, so it's got some really neat add-on additions to it. It is 7'6" tall, 6'8" wide. It is definitely made for larger horses. White in color with the Hawk graphics. It does have a battery box on it. It does have 30 amp service for the air conditioning, so it does have an air conditioning unit. It does have a short running board there at the escape door. The escape door has a drop window in it with bars. Sliders on the rear. Double back doors with a fold up ramp. So it does have the double back doors and ramp. Load light on the rear. Horse box is padded, real thick padding. I will say Hawk uses a really thick padding on their walls, on their chest and butt bars, and on their middle divider. So all that is in great shape, no issues. This trailer is aluminum, steel frame, a fiberglass roof. 2 roof vents, fans. It does have a camera system, and she has left all the items for the camera system in a box up in the front. I'm not sure how that works. You'll just have to kind of get all those items and see if you can kind of put it together with your vehicle, but all those items are still left with the trailer. It does have a walk-through door. Light on the interior here, horse box 2. Let me step up to the front, give you kind of a visual down below. Again, mats are in great shape. Trailer, a horse box, all the rubber is in great shape. Trailer is like new. It obviously has 2 full escape doors with windows and bars. I haven't really found any dings or dents or anything on this trailer, so I haven't noted that yet. Full running board on this side because it obviously goes over the one escape door, under the one escape door and your dressing room door. This is a 5-foot straight wall dressing room, so a little bit bigger dressing room than most. So it gives you a little bit more room. So escape door on this side as well. And the dressing room has a brush box, has the paperwork, came with the trailer. You can tell this is a little bit bigger, being 5 foot. 2 saddle racks, bridle hook. It does have the feed bags. It's got an extra long, I'm sure that goes across the back if you need it extra. I left it with the trailer because it obviously goes with it. Air conditioning unit, a fan in here. 2 fans in here. In your dressing room, the cord, and in this box is the items, all the items for the camera system. Slider windows with screens up in the nose. Light, 2 lights in here. So dressing room is like new too. Again, this trailer was very lightly used. It's in excellent shape. Guys, I can't tear this one apart too bad. So 2020 Hawk 2-horse straight load gooseneck with air conditioning unit. Excellent shape. This is Ashley. This is Carolina Trailer Sales, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.